I'll show you how to recover a Google business profile in 2026. If you've lost access to your business profile, accidentally removed it, or can no longer manage it, don't worry. There are several ways to recover your profile. First, sign in to the Google account that previously managed the business profile. Visit Google Business Profile and search for your business. If the profile appears, click Claim this business asterisk or request access if it's currently managed by another account. If you already requested access, wait for the current owner to respond. If they don't respond within Google's waiting period, you may receive the option to claim ownership yourself. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. If your business profile was suspended or disabled, review Google's business profile guidelines and fix any issues before submitting a reinstatement request. Be prepared to provide documents such as a business license, utility bill, or storefront photos if Google asks you to verify your ownership. After your request is approved, you'll regain access to your business profile and can update your business information, respond to reviews, and manage your online presence as usual. That's how to recover a Google business profile in 2026. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other Google business profile guides. Thanks for watching.